Okay, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a different video today. Today we're just here at this small little pond that has pretty much lost most of its water for the season. And what I want to do is clear out a lot of these bulrushes. I took out a few last year, but they've just grown up a lot over the summer. And I think they're really just taking over the pond. So basically what I want to do today is just come in and take a lot of the bulrushes out. First we'll start with the Bobcat and take out that pile of dirt there, because I already came in here before and started to take out some of the bulrushes, but I just left the big pile there of dirt. So I'm going to start by taking that out, then probably come in with the excavator, take out at least what I can reach for this stuff here, and then a little bit down there, and there's a little ramp to get down into here, and then I'm going to come in with the Bobcat, scoop it all up, and then take it around back and dump it. So that's basically the plan. As you can see, it's very overgrown, and believe it or not, there are actually fish in here still. So we're going to try to get as much as we're going to try to get as many of the bulrushes as we can out of here, and then hopefully by next year it should be pretty good. All right. Okay, so we're going to do a bit of Bobcat work first, just to clean out those piles that I had dug previously. Okay, so we got that area cleaned up, so I think now I'm going to come in here with the excavator and take out a few of these bulrushes anyway. It's getting a little slippery down there. I don't want to get stuck, so I don't have too much to pull myself out with if I do. So maybe I'll wait a day or two till it dries up and I'll get back in there and take some more out. But yeah, it's pretty hard clay down here though, so it's pretty hard to dig. That's why I kind of loosen it up with the excavator and then just take out the piles with the Bobcat. So that seems to work. Okay, so let's get the mini excavator fired up. And this has been a good little machine to me for sure. I got this probably 4 or 5 years ago at the Ritchie Brothers auction. And yeah, it's been great. Very handy. I never thought I'd have so many uses for it until I got it. This thing has come in handy many different times for a lot of different projects. that's all I'm going to do for right now. It's getting very slippery there. I just about got stuck getting the excavator out of there. So that's a decent start. Got a lot of the bulrushes out from this side of the pond. I'm going to probably wait till it dries out a little bit because it's pretty slick down here, and I have a feeling that the Bobcat may end up getting stuck if I come back and try to take the rest of this out. But maybe tomorrow I'll take the bulrushes out of that side and see if I can get a lot of those out, and then give this a few days to dry up, and then get back in here with the Bobcat and take a bunch more scoops out and clean this up. All right, well, that's good for today. And that'll be for tomorrow. Okay, I'm back here. It's the next afternoon, and today what I want to focus on is just getting the bulrushes out from this side of the pond. It's quite a steep bank here, so it might be kind of difficult to get the bulrushes out. So what I want to do is just take scoops and then put them back onto the bank, like where the dam is, and then that way I can easily come with the Bobcat and take them out of here. So that's basically my plan. We'll see how it goes. All right. That's probably all I'm going to do for today. Yeah, I got a decent bit done. A small excavator like that, you know, you can only reach so far. I'd like to get a lot of these out too, but I'm not really sure I'll be able to. But this is pretty good. This will take the bulrushes down quite a lot. So, all right. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.